Yeah. Oh, the lights went low, the silence spoke. We carried scars that never broke. Two hearts tied from yesterday's rain, still holding on through every pain. I saw your truth behind your eyes. No perfect words, no sweet disguise. Just two souls learning how to stay, finding love in a different way. Every tear became a reason, every goodbye changed the season. Now your heartbeat feels like home, no matter where this life has gone. When the night calls, I reach for you. Love made strong by what we've been through. No gold, no fame could ever compare to the way you show me you're always there. After dark, our spirits shine. Your forever fits with mine. Every chapter brought us here. Now your love is crystal clear. We built our hope one day at a time, turned broken moments into rhyme. The world kept changing all around, but in your arms my peace was found. You never promised life was easy, you simply stayed and believed in me. That's the kind of love that lasts, stronger than shadows from the past. If tomorrow writes another storm, I'll still choose your heart to keep me warm. Our story wasn't made overnight, it grew through every lonely night. Now every sunrise starts with you, making all dreams feel brand new. Love made strong by what we've been through. Every heartbeat sings your name. Forever never sounds the same. After dark, our spirits rise. I see forever in your eyes. Life wrote every single line, so your heart could meet with mine. After dark, our love remains. Year after year.